Γεια σας, φίλοι μου, καλώς ήρθατε. Welcome. Kalimera. Good morning. Today we're going to have a bit of background noise, unfortunately, so just ignore it. Today I want to talk about a few Greek idioms and expressions that we have in Greek. So today it's going to be a more pleasant class, and it won't be heavy grammar. So let me get my notes, because I have written them down. There we are. Of course, I am here to answer any questions you have regarding the Greek grammar or the Greek language in general. But as an introduction to this session today, I'm going to talk about some fun factors about a few expressions that I've noted down. So, in Greek, when we say, I fall asleep, we have two different ways of saying it. One is, με παίρνει ο ύπνος. Με παίρνει means it takes me, literally speaking, okay? And ο ύπνος is the sleep. Ο ύπνος is a word that we also meet in the English language too, okay? It's hypnosis, hypnotherapy, and all this. So, με παίρνει ο ύπνος means the sleep is taking me. Now, I had a lot of students this week that were telling me about this expression, this idiomatic phrase, and they wanted to know how did this, how was this created, why does the sleep takes me? And I presume, and I think I'm quite sure that this happened because in ancient mythology, we had this god of sleep, which is called Morpheus. And Morpheus was supposed to be taking you into his arms, yes, into his, what is it called? The diastase, dimension, okay? So that's why the sleep is taking you, as if the God is taking you into his dimension. The other phrase that we have is πέφτω για ύπνο. Πέφτω, literally speaking, means to fall, okay? Fall for sleep. Πέφτω για for ύπνο, okay? That means I go to sleep, okay? Just a small pause here to welcome everyone that came. Kalimera από τον Νείλο, από την Αίγυπτο. How nice! Thanks for watching. I just wanted to say, I just started off with some expressions today and just explaining some fun factors about idiomatic phrases, but I'm also here to answer any questions you may have. So, πηγαίνω για ύπνο λοιπόν, it's another one that it's literal, very literal. I go for sleep, okay? We don't say to sleep because basically in English you say to sleep, which is a verb. In Greek we use the noun, the sleep, okay? That's the difference. There's someone that wants to join me. I will add you in once I finish with the expressions. No problem. Λοιπόν, another fun factor about fire, okay? When you catch fire, I catch fire, we say πιάνω φωτιά, okay? And this is literate. Πιάνω is to catch, to grab something, okay? Now, when we say I light a fire, but I do it with a bad purpose, like an arsonist, we say βάζω φωτιά, okay? Which is, βάζω means to put, okay? And βάζω φωτιά, okay, put fire doesn't okay, literally makes sense, but this is the expression. Now, you don't have to be an arsonist like necessarily to light a fire, but it has that sort of purpose to burn something, okay? Burn it out. So you can be a farmer. You might have just trimmed your trees and your bushes and whatever, and you want to burn all the branches and the leaves. In this case, βάζεις φωτιά, okay? The other one that we say when we light a fire, but in this case we do it for all other purposes, okay? Not to burn everything just away. We say ανάβω φωτιά, I light fire. Ανάβω φωτιά for cooking, for example, okay? Λοιπόν, ανάβω, one more thing and then I'll just stop and I'll just listen to your questions. Ανάβω means to light, but we use it metaphorically when we switch on appliances, electrical appliances and devices. You can turn on the light, ανάβω το φως, okay? The lighting switch. You can ανάβω τον φούρνο. I turn on the oven. You can ανάβω το calorifer, okay? I turn on the heating. Yes, we say the radiator, that's another expression, but everything that sort of has some sort of fire in it, it could be a spark, okay? Because, okay, the electricity is not like literal fire, it's a spark. We use the verb ανάβω. Okay, so I am finished with the expressions. I'm all yours. Please ask any questions that are Greek language related, have to do with your learning, your study. Friend onto this live. Let's see if he wants something to say. Ελπίζω όλοι να έχετε ένα πολύ ωραίο Σαββατοκύριακο. So, I see there are a few people on. Ευχαριστώ πολύ for joining. I just analyzed a few expressions. If you have any trouble with expressions, because you know, expressions are a big part of the Greek language, yes, and idiomatic phrases are a very, you know, a significant, how can I say, a significant part, because everybody talks everybody uses words metaphorically all the time. So, please feel free and don't be afraid to ask anything. I'm here exactly for that, and I will be every Saturday at 11:30 Greek time, okay? If you can't think right now of anything, you can write it down in the comments or send me a private message, and I will answer it on the next session. So, I see you have no questions. I will leave you to this. I hope you have a wonderful weekend. Καλό Σαββατοκύριακο. Να είστε πάντα καλά. Take care of yourselves. I'll see you next Saturday. Γεια σας.